Hello everyone. So today, please ignore my table. Wait, I have an idea. Ta-da! I know this is not also clean. Anyways, let's start the video. Hi everyone, welcome you all to my new video. So today's video is going to be very exciting because today I'm going to make the Steve head. So most of you know that there is a game known as Minecraft in which the character given is known as Steve, and personally I like Minecraft very much and I never played Minecraft. So I thought that I can't play Minecraft, but I can make something related to Minecraft. So I decided to make the Steve head. So there is another character known as Alex, but today I decided to make the Steve head only. So without talking more, let's get started. So at first I have drawn 6 squares like this. The length of each square is 8 cm. Then I cut 2 small rectangles and pasted it as the eyes. Then I painted it white as base color. After base color, I started to make it colorful. Let it dry.